How to fix iPhone black screen appear on your screen. A black screen on an iPhone can occur due to several reasons, like software glitches, or sometimes it may cause due to battery issues. Sometimes overheating or hardware malfunction can be the issue for black screen. And some of the users are also complaining that charging and faulty apps are the causes for black screen on their iPhone. To solve this issue, the very first step you need to do is simply force restart your device. To force restart, simply press and quickly release the volume up button and then volume down button and keep pressing the side button until you see black screen with Apple logo. When you see that, simply release it and your device will be restarted. Once it is restarted, your issue will be solved. In this very easy step, you can easily fix black screen appear on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.